Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Diane Habuyo, 32 years old, married. My husband is a waiter and we have 3 kids. They are 13 years old, 9 years old, and 7 years old. And we live in General Hadja Street, Iloilo City, and I have one brother. I am a Bachelor of Science Information Technology undergraduate. I did not finish my studies because of financial problem.
Okay, thank you. And since you have 3 kids, are you the one who is taking care of them since they were born?
Yes, sir.
And who will take care of your children when you work abroad?
My husband, sir.
And do you have work experience abroad before?
No, sir, but I used to work here as a domestic helper in the Philippines for 2 years and 3 months to a couple. They have 2 kids, 9 years old boy and 3 years old girl. My main duties are cooking, cleaning, and washing the clothes, marketing, but my main priority is taking care of 2 children.
Okay, and how would you describe your employers?
They are nice to me, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I'm a very hardworking person. I can work with less supervision, and I'm an honest person, sir.
And are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work in Taiwan?
I want to work abroad, sir, especially in Taiwan to help my family and to sustain my children's education.
Okay, and are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
And what will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
I will check the baby if he's hungry, and I will feed her, or I will check the baby's temperature. Maybe he is sick, and I will tell the madam.
Okay, and what will you do if the children is naughty or will not listen to you?
I will talk to them slowly, and I will be more patient to them.
Okay, and can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Okay, thank you. And do you have any food allergy?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share them with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
Are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
Would you accept no day off, but the employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
And if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir.
Okay. And would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
And do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to lend money in Taiwan?
Yes, sir.
And do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you have a full consent to your husband and family to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
Would you please say something to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and I will stay as long as you want me, and I will extend if it is needed. I am a hardworking person. I am trustworthy, and most especially, I am an honest person. Thank you, and God bless you more, sir.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.